Hello everyone. This is a quick video to show you how to reset an iPhone to factory default setting. So first, all you have to do is just turn on your iPhone and then go to settings. Setting is the icon that has these gears. Just press that and then go to general, which is this one right here, general. And then once you are inside general, scroll all the way down to reset, which is the second from the most bottom option. And here you are in the reset menu, and you can either reset all settings, all content and settings, network only, keyboard, screen layout, location, and privacy. So let me explain a little bit about the differences. Most of the time, and for the purpose of this video, you want to reset to factory default, which means that you want to choose the second one here, the one that says erase all content and settings. But if you do not want to reset your content, like for example, if your phone is just messing up, you want to just reset your setting without losing your photos, your contacts, your videos, etc., you want to select the first one, which is just resetting your settings without deleting your content. Network setting is something like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth network, and things like that. If you want to reset that because they're malfunctioning, you choose the third option. And the rest of the other options are not that popular. I'm not going to go through them in this video. So I'm going to click on the second option, which is what we want here, to reset to factory default, erase all content and settings. And then it's going to prompt you to make sure that you want to documents or data being uploaded to iCloud. Okay, so it doesn't matter. You can just click on erase now. So if something is uploading in the background, basically my phone is doing that, but we want to just go ahead and erase now. And you have to type in your password. Oops. Okay, and then it's going to confirm to you one more time to make sure that you're not just drunk and accidentally erasing your phone. So this is the last time that you will be prompted. Erase iPhone. Yes. And then you have to put in your password. Okay, I put in my password already, and we are ready to erase. Click on the erase on the top right hand corner. And it's working right now. It's resetting. I think it finished resetting. Right now it's rebooting or restarting the phone again. And when this is all successful, you should see that initial welcome hello screen, the one that says hello with the all white background usually, depending on the operating system version that you have. Okay, it looks like it's resetting again for the second time. Okay, so we are done. This is back on the welcome screen where it says hello in a bunch of different languages, just like if you would have gotten a new phone. At this point, you are fully safe to sell this phone, give it to somebody else or whatever, because all your information and your settings are all gone. That has been erased. And thank you for watching this video. I hope that you find this video useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.